When we were staying just outside of Aberdeen, Washington, I was flushing the black tank and noticed that the latch to my wet bay door was bent and needs to be replaced. So I called Newmar and ultimately got in touch with the parts department and ordered 2 latches. This is the one that we're going to try to replace the old one with, and it doesn't match up exactly the same, so I'm hoping that it works, but it shouldn't be too hard. Just going to use a drill bit and an Allen wrench, so we'll see how it goes. There is a little cable connected behind here, and should be able to loosen it, remove it, and secure the cable. Unscrew these. It should then come out and put the new one back in. It's shut a couple times. We'll see how that holds up. So that took about 10 minutes. The only really hard part was the area that I did it. It was right by the sewer, and there were some ruts in there from when people were driving through, and I'm wearing flip-flops, so that was the really the only difficult part. Took about 10, maybe 15 minutes. A quick little do-it-yourself. Save you probably a couple $100 on having an RV tech come out and do it. So I got an extra one because we know that we'll have another one fail, and yeah, maybe an RV technician isn't out of the realm of possibility.